Hi, welcome back to EducateTube.com. My name is Zipski, your host. In this video, I'll show you how to use your Sony a5000 and make it into a studio camera. So let's talk about it right now. Alright, as you can see here, I have the Sony a5000 connected to my Ninja 2. This is Optimus Ninja 2. It can record at 8-bit 422 ProRes. That's for the Sony a5000. It can also do 10-bit, but my camera cannot do that. But even at 8-bit 422 ProRes, that's still great because if you can record it onto the SSD drive or hard drive, you can actually edit on your laptop and desktop much more efficiently. It's faster compared to the native AV HD format that's recorded directly in the camera. Okay, so you'll find that faster when you have the SSD drive hooked up to your laptop desktop. And of course, you have a lot more storage as well, right? You can have 1 terabyte of data in here if you want to record lots of video. That's one thing great about it. In addition, what I like about the Ninja 2 is that it actually have a audio in. Okay, so notice that the a5000 doesn't have that. If it did have that, it's going to be a great studio camera on its own, but it doesn't have that. So having the Ninja 2, and notice the monitor, I love the monitor too. It allows me to use the focus peaking there. Okay, so different type of focus peaking, and even false colors in here as well. So all these features is found in the Ninja 2, allow you to kind of monitor your image. But more importantly, of course, is the audio part. Okay, so notice that the audio is recorded from my Sony audio recording. This is the ICD UX533 recording model. Okay, so you can get it probably around $50. But one thing I like about it is that you can hook up to a lavalier mic, as you can see here, connected to the Sony audio recorder, and then the headphone jack goes directly into the Ninja 2. So now you have ability to monitor your audio and also record it, and the quality is amazing. Okay, so what you do is go to your Sony audio system and set it to high music sensitivity on the mic part, and then it will record directly into the Ninja 2. Once that's done, the image coming from the Sony a5000 and the audio coming from the Sony audio recorder is amazing when combined together. So now you have an audio and video recording. Now the only thing is I put a little note here for myself, is that when it's recording mono. So make sure in your editing, when you're editing your video, you change that to stereo. So I'm using DaVinci Resolve. So what I do is under the audio, I'll switch that from mono to stereo. That need to be converted, and then you have both sides being stereo. Okay, so what it does is that you copy the left side and you paste it to the right side, and now you have a stereo recording of that audio. So that's how I set it up. It's on a tripod stand, as you can see here. I can monitor the screen up on top or a bigger screen on the bottom. Let me show you right now what it looks like when everything is set up properly. Okay, let me switch over right now. Alright, as you can see here, I'm recording with my Sony a5000 hooked up to my Ninja 2 external recorder, as well as my Sony audio recorder. These three package, the Sony a5000, the Ninja 2, and the Sony audio recorder, makes this studio camera amazing. In fact, I didn't spend more than $500 for these three devices. The Sony a5000 you can probably get around $150. The Ninja 2 I was able to get around $150 as well. The recorder is about $30, so it's pretty reasonable if you buy all of them used. And of course then you have the lens. The lens is a 16mm f2.8, which is around $100. You look at the whole package, it shouldn't cost you more than $500. So $500 you get a decent studio camera. In the future you want to upgrade your camera to, let's say, a6100, then the Ninja 2 is still relevant, you can still use that. Or if you decide to go with the GH4 Panasonic older camera, or the Fuji X-T3, they can do 10-bit 422 1080p, no problem. In fact, they can even do 4K. So you can still keep your monitor, the Optimus Ninja 2, recording at 1080p 422 10-bit.
So every single one of them is very useful. You can sell one of the parts and it's still going to be useful. All right, so hopefully I convinced you that even with the Sony a5000 in the year 2022, you can still use it properly. In fact, you don't need to buy a new camera if you know what you're doing. Don't be persuaded to buy latest greatest gear, because the older technology, if you know how to set it up, can still be relevant in the year 2022 and beyond. All right, if you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully I'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye.